Hey YouTube, this is the Hilton Garden in Marina Del Rey, California, and so this is a one single bed room, and it's okay. I mean, there's a TV, some drawers, has a good sized fridge that actually does get quite cold, microwave, the thingy, there's the washroom. Let's go in the washroom. You have your toilet, your shower, no hand shower. It's kind of grungy tiles, not really into that. Your vanity. Your mirror. It's not lighted, but they got two good lights on the side. Then back to the room. You have your desk. They have a grill just outside the room, basically, like, and I don't know, I really don't know. I can stay here or go back. It's not really my style of room. Maybe, not now at least. So I'm gonna tell you something. This door, there's big gaps under the door and a little bit on the side, and I'm very surprised this place isn't full of bugs and ants, because they can just walk straight through the door. Now I'll tell you why I'm surprised is because once you open the door, you're on the ground floor and it just goes out. It just goes outside. So let's take a look at this map. Okay, so you can see here, there's the hotel lobby, and they put me over there. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, let me point this out. Okay, you can see here, I'm at the hotel lobby, and they put me over here for the, yeah. Now, to get to my room, you have to go from the lobby through the restaurant, out here, back to this alleyway, walk over here, okay? So, I don't know about that. Walking through a restaurant to get to a room, I don't know. But let's see the price of these waters. I always $2 for it's this Pure Life, $2 for a Pure Life. Oh yeah, here's a transition from the room to the bathroom. Call Mike Holmes. So yeah, the bed's clean, no bugs, pillows are soft. yeah, so pillows are soft, nice pillows. Other than that, it's very poorly lit. There's not a lot of lighting, and a lot of hotel rooms, not really a lot of not a lot of lighting, but it's fine. I'm only mostly this door sketches me out, and I'm not really into it. So I'm not here for work. I'm here for surgery, so I'm not feeling this door. And when you're having surgery, the last thing you want to worry about is your security, right? So, and I'm not saying this hotel's not a secure hotel or anything like that, but and it's in a very nice area. Just I'm not feeling the door, especially on the gaps on the floor. I mean, if you're on upper level or 10th floor or something, that's not a big deal. But this is literally, we're on the ground. Like, you walk outside and that's concrete. It's ground floor. So, and it's ground floor outdoors. Okay, so I'm not feeling that. So. I still have my Hyatt room, so I might just go back there. They got that great room service and stuff. Here, I don't think it's room. I'm not sure if they have room service or you just walk out to the grill. But I like people bringing me stuff. That's bring me the food. So I like that. But yeah. So anyways, this is Hilton Garden Inn, Marina Del Rey, and it's not like it's a cheap room either. It's like $300 a night for just this single bed, and it's like very motel style room. So yeah, I don't know, but we'll see. Alright, well, I'm gonna show you the next hotel room.